Hello YouTube! Today we look at Chat4Data AI. How much time you wasted trying to copy structured data from a messy website? Stop! Web scraping is too slow and too complicated for the average user. Chat4Data AI is the ultimate AI extraction tool that turns any website into structured data by just chatting. Let's go in. So first you go on chat4data.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. As you can read here, extract structured data from any website. If you scroll down a bit, you see some use cases here. You can just scrape the data via chat by talking. Enough talking, let's try it. First we add it to Chrome. It's an extension. After installing the extension and signing up, you have this chat box here. Chat4Data can now extract the website you're currently on. So as example, we have this Wikipedia site here, a list of Formula 1 World Driver Champions, and now we want extract data from the current web page. He's now analyzing the whole website, scrolling up and down. Currently he is analyzing the data areas. And after some seconds he extracted the data areas. Now we get some prompts like extract data, world champions by season, by driver or by nationality. We want some other things here. We want extract the driver, seasons and the constructor, the winning team, from the main table of this page. We hit enter. So he did a scraper setup and now we can start the extraction. Click on start extraction with current setup and seconds later we have a CSV or an Excel file. Let's look at the Excel file. And as we can see, he extracted the data from the Wikipedia site into a structured table. Exactly that what we wanted, sorted by the year. Fantastic. Now a more advanced example. We have a list of cars here with model name, with prices. Again, we click extract data from the current web page. We have the prompt from the list of vehicles. Only extract the year, model and price. Lower than $20,000. Hit enter. Again, he's analyzing the data areas and do all the things automatically. We have to do nothing here. Very nice. Again, we have our scraper setup here. We have the start page fields, year, model, price. Perfect. Hit start extraction. He's also showing us the page fields on the side. As you can see here, they are highlighted. Again, he did a very good job here. He extracted all cars, the cars under $20,000 with our fields. It's just so easy and perfect. Again, an even more advanced example here. We have a news website here and we want to extract the top 10 articles here. We enter the prompt, extract the article title, the author and the time posted for the first 10 news stories on this page. Hit enter. Again, we can look at the page fields. The article is correct, the author is correct and the time posted is correct. We hit start extraction. And again, let's make this here. Yes, that's nice. He extracted the top 10 articles with the article name, with the author and the time posted, structured into a table. Exactly that what we wanted. It's so easy, just by chatting. Awesome. So if you like Chat4Data, click the link in the description to visit the website. See you in the next one.